Welcome, I'm filming a REALME C11 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you need to open up Settings. From there, scroll down to Additional Settings, right over here. And at the top you should see Storage. And scroll down to the SD card, which should be at the bottom. And in here we have the option to Format SD card. Tap on it. Now it gives you a message that all data on this SD card will be erased. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before. Otherwise you will lose it permanently. But if you already have done it or you don't care about it, tap on Format SD card. Now if you have some kind of pattern, you do need to confirm it apparently. And then Format SD card. Now this process is fairly quick, it only takes a couple seconds. And once it's finished, the card is ready to be used immediately afterwards. Which it should be right about now. There we go. And now it'll ask you again if you want to set it as default. Tap on OK, and we're done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.